Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency that attracts and enjoys. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Work on developing automatic and alternating to silent, constant repetition of remembrance of a spiritual nature. Also work on directing yourself towards good company. Some can't take on all the teachings at once, but can gradually believe and build up practices. Fruitive activity and mental development is not enough and needs devotion. A spiritual life needs advancing particular meditation and accepting things voluntarily beyond needs. We should build up our connection till our consciousness has no divergence from God. And we work for others. Uniqueness and vanity should remind us of God. Try to have a daily allotted reading portion. When you lack a nobility for spiritual practice, do this semblance. Sometimes some people can't physically make the sounds. I'm stuffed up. Sometimes there's sounds that are harder to deal with or something. You can't go through the positions. You don't have the wealth to go on pilgrimage or the physical ability to do it or something. But do what you can as far as, you want to, You can't turn the direction in the ritual that you intend to turn, but you're, maybe you don't even know where it is. I don't know what to think of the examples, but total consciousness does not have to change with different tasks. Angelic is the devotion to preservation and aligning your acts to the all-pervading. Demonic is amorality. Scholarly activity shouldn't be to just produce a lot, but to be supported in your conclusions beyond mere opinion or speculation. Marriage and sacrifice are to limit and sanctify the natural drives. Illusion and foolishness exist in a way, Maya and Moha, in a way that doesn't dispel God. There is a predestination of provided opportunities. Initiation needs to be available to all hereditary and economic classes. Creation can't do anything. As society is secularized, even those of great means are not setting up legacies by providing temples and spiritual study centers. Even the poor used to try to have a personal or familial prayer space or altar. God may not be everything, but that doesn't mean there is any business worth it that can't be serving God. If we take the spiritual shelter with God, the mystic powers may turn towards our use without working for that purpose. The true classes are by behavior and consciousness. rather than who has the wealth and worldly power. Ye yor janmanya ado visvam ambhyanandat sunirtam manamse kakumbo vatah prasendu sareto draya. They both, on the appearance of that universe, became glad, full of joy. Everyone's mind in the directions of the pleasant air became pleasant. With the air became pleasant. The rivers, the mountains also. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.